I don't waste time like messaging like inbox. I just use my inbox, messenger, my inbox, everything like the private inbox for invitation, to send invitation, not for chatting for hours. No, I don't do that. My goodness, I don't earn money from that, guys. It's not like you're paying me in box with replying your messages. No, you can't hardly support or send me a star or send me super chat. Why would I? How can you do like? Why would you like pay me in bucks? That's another story, isn't it? So you have to understand and accept who I am. As I am a blogger, I'm a live host. Then there you go. Hmm? If you cannot like support me, then there you go. You're not my supporter. You're not my friend. You're not. You are nobody to me. I am nobody to you. Simple as that. It's vice versa.